Hi guys, Joe from Prepper in the Woods here, and I've shown you this video on this one already, which is the fat rope stick. So I just wanted to show you a quick video on this one, which is the ultimate fire tinder. So this one is this shredded up and put into a tin. Now that one, Canadian dollars, I think that one's 7 and that one's 12. So I think this you would get a lot more out of than buying it in a tin. I mean, this processed out I see into big piles. If you check out Canadian Prepper, that one, it seems compact. I'm gonna have a play with it now. I'll give it a quick test and see how it is, but it should have the same result as that one, but I just prefer this this way than tin. I don't know, it's my personal preference there, but let's have a look and see how we get on with it. Right, so yeah, it looks just like the fat rope stick, but processed already. You can still see chunks of the rope in it. Yeah, looks like rabbit poo, but yeah, look, you can still see chunks of it in there. So it's just processed fat rope stick. So what we'll do is I'm gonna make some lunch. So I'm gonna use my kettle here, so I'm going to set that up first and then start a fire in there, boil my water, make my food, but I just want to show you how this stuff works. Right, so I got a little bit of that fluff. Right, just going to take it, I'm just going to soak it in water. So we can get that soaked. Right, I'm just gonna wring it out quick. Right, take it, fluff it up a little bit. Right, so it's thoroughly soaked. Just gonna take it, just gonna wring it out a little bit. Refluff it. I guess I wish I brought my knife. Well, that's not good, is it? Got a little ridge in my ferro rod there, which is my fault for them not pushing all the way, but this ferro rod's pretty good. Even my fingers are a bit charred there from doing this. That should have took already. Let me just cut off a piece off the fat rope stick, do the same test and see if I had the same results. Make sure everything's in frame. Right, so that's your fat rope there from the stick. Just going to fluff a few of them up, not all of them. Don't need all of them. That's always good for a video. Nice big old crow. Right, so I'm not going to waste all of these, but right, so that's all fluffed up. Separate that a bit more to make it a bit fair. get this wet. Right, so we agree that's wet. I'm gonna wring it out like the other one. Let's see if this takes a spark any better. So I'm going to starve today. Oh, had something there. I really don't know what I'm doing wrong today. This worked in my last video, and I've used it since, but for some reason it's not taking. So I don't know why, but it's not my ferro rod, because if you look, because I'm using a small striker, and I'm actually quite burned in my finger there, so it's not like, you know, I'm using a shit ferro rod or anything. But right, I'm gonna keep going because I need to get some food in me, so I'll sort this out now. You fucking shitting me? I'm struggling. I shouldn't be struggling. It's really struggling, I don't know why. That whole thing should have been up by now. So 3 matches. Right, I'm just going to transfer this over. Yeah, but there's no way that should have took 3 matches to light. Right, so I don't know what went wrong there. Hanger 51. I like their stuff. When I did this video for this one, I recommended them. I did the fire, floating on water, all kinds of stuff on that one. That one was fine. This one's still sealed. This one's been open for quite a while. I only use it if the weather's really bad. That one is brand new. So I'm not sure if I can't say because that one's been open for a while. Maybe that one didn't work, but this one's brand new. So I don't know. Maybe it got too wet in the inside of fibers, but I didn't have the issue last time, so a bit stumped on that one. So if you use this one and you had the same issues, can you leave a comment below and let me know why that happened? Because if that's the issue, then I might not pack it in my bag with me because I could save space with something else. But it happens sometimes. You know, this is, you know, YouTube. You film everything, and sometimes it doesn't work as planned. So, but I got some food. Yay! Right. Thanks guys for watching. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Check out my Facebook group, Prepper in the Woods. I'm going to be selling some bulk stuff on there of my own that I don't need anymore. Also check out Prepper Dell channel. I'll put a link up there as well. He has a Facebook group as well. And check me out on Instagram. So I'll plug all of them in the description box below. Thanks guys for watching. I'll catch you next video. Bye.